Hey guys, hold up 1 second. I just have to make a copy of this house real quick. Oh, never mind. This house cannot be copied. And here is why. Take a look at this incredible lot, you guys. This is the Cali floor plan in Bella Point, and let me tell you what, this lot is amazing. You cannot go buy a home right now in this price point in a community with amenities, with the pool literally right down the street, and get a fenced-in backyard, a hot tub, a shed, and all of this privacy. You just can't find it. This home cannot be copied. Now let's take a step inside and look at some of the awesome upgrades that have been made in this home. Look at this cute door that prevents the kiddos or your four-legged friends from getting into the other part of the house. You have this lovely board and batten accent here on the wall. You've got the granite countertops, the open kitchen. Look at these luxury vinyl plank floors. It's light, it's bright, it's airy, spacious. Look at all of this space in this living room. I love the living room of the Cali. This is a nice size sectional sofa that fits perfectly on this wall. You can buy this house furnished if you'd like. These folks are moving to a tiny home in Florida. They're taking a big adventure down to Florida and living the tiny lifestyle there just to see what that is all about. So as a result, you get to save some money and possibly buy this house furnished if you don't want that cash out of pocket after closing to furnish the home. Look at these beautiful counters. You've got this large pantry. The refrigerator comes with. Look at this lovely dining table. Isn't it just beautiful? I love it. They've got the fan already installed in the living room. This entertainment center is a perfect fit. Here inside the primary suite, that luxury vinyl plank continues, and there is plenty of room in here for any furniture you may need. Look at all of the space in this home. They even have a chair for sitting in that room. A double sink vanity. Lovely. And look, you guys, it's got a standalone bathtub and a walk-in shower. Look at the custom built-ins in this walk-in closet. Love it, you guys. I love, love, love that this has a bathtub in the Cali. I have not seen that in the Cali in a very long time. That was Chris, the photographer. Look at this office space. This is the second bedroom that's set up as an office, second bath here. And note that the luxury vinyl plank goes through that office area. Also, they've got the comfort of carpet here in the guest bedroom. That is a queen size bed. This room fits a queen size bed, no problem. Super spacious, so plenty of room for guests with a queen in that room. And then look at this accent in the hallway. And let's go over here and take a look at this laundry room. Look at that cute brick accent in those cabinets above the washer dryer. This they use as a man cave and a sitting area, but this is the fourth bedroom in the Cali. So you can see how functional this floor plan is, you guys. I love the Cali. You all know that. If you've been following me along for all these years on YouTube, you know how much I love the Cali. And this particular Cali, you guys, cannot be reproduced. Not on this lot with woods behind you, with nothing in front of you. You have the ultimate privacy. All those high ticket items are already purchased. I don't care if you can go get a brand new home. The money that you're going to have to invest in a fence, especially if you have a lot this size, if you are fortunate enough to find a lot the size of this lot with the woods in the back, and it be fenced in and have a shed, no worries about going through the HOA to get approval. everything you need, including some of this furniture. You can move right into this bad boy and not blink an eye. Slide open that slider, let the dogs into the backyard, let the kiddos run around. And it is in Bella Point. You are literally 10 minutes from Oak Island. You could head the other direction and hit Holden Beach. No problem. You are just a couple of miles from groceries, from pharmacy, from dining, entertainment. You can hit Southport, anything you want. Bolivia offers it, and Bella Point is the perfect location. It's a community with amenities. It is built out pretty much. They only have a few more homes left to build in this community, so you will not be in construction traffic, construction zone, none of that. You can walk down the street, hop in the pool, into the fitness center, and you know what? You can go in your backyard and install a pool if you wanted to. Honestly, Bella Point is on community sewer and water, so there's no septic tank to think about. You could put a pool in that big old backyard if you want to. I love this Cali. Again, it cannot be copied. Come grab it. The toner is running low on the Calis in general. It's hard to find a Cali on a fantastic lot anywhere in Brunswick County. So if you want to be close to the beach, if you want to have a pool in your neighborhood, if you want to have the yard fenced in already, if you want the privacy of backing up to woods and the beauty of that, but you know what? There are no trees in your backyard. So you get all the benefits of having those trees surrounding you, but none of the raking. No pine straw in your backyard. Easy peasy living in Bella Point in this gorgeous Cali. Come check it out. Call me. I'm Jessica Wainwright, 910-518-JESS. 5377. I would love to show you this home in person. Don't wait. That toner is running low, you guys. Come get your Cali that cannot be copied. See you soon. Bye.